The 1974 D. Roosevelt Dime, History and Value. Introduction. The Roosevelt Dime, first minted in 1946, replaced the Mercury Dime and has been a staple of U.S. currency ever since. Named after President Franklin D. Roosevelt, the dime commemorates his role in founding the March of Dimes and his leadership during the Great Depression and World War II. The 1974 D. Roosevelt Dime is a coin from this long-standing series, minted at the Denver Mint, hence the D. mintmark. Understanding its history, production details, and value provides insight into this small but significant piece of American numismatics. Historical context. 1. The Roosevelt Dime Series. Introduction. The Roosevelt Dime was introduced in 1946, just a year after Roosevelt's death. John R. Sinnock, the chief engraver of the United States Mint, designed the coin. The dime's obverse features a profile portrait of Franklin D. Roosevelt, while the reverse showcases a torch, an olive branch, and an oak branch symbolizing liberty, peace, and strength respectively. Transition to clad composition. Initially, dimes were composed of 90% silver and 10% copper. However, due to rising silver prices and the increasing demand for silver in industrial applications, the Coinage Act of 1965 mandated a transition to a copper-nickel clad composition. Starting in 1965, dimes were made of a core of pure copper, sandwiched between two layers of a copper-nickel alloy, with a total composition of 75% copper and 25% nickel. 2. 1974, a year in review. Economic climate. The early 1970s were marked by economic challenges, including the aftermath of the 1973 oil crisis, which led to high inflation and unemployment in the United States. The inflation rate in 1974 was particularly high, reaching over 11%. Minting practices. Despite these challenges, the production of coins continued robustly. The Denver Mint, where the 1974 D dime was produced, was crucial in meeting the demand for circulating coinage. The Denver Mint has a long history, established in 1906, and is known for its high-volume production capacity. Characteristics of the 1974 D Roosevelt Dime. 1. Design. Obverse. The obverse of the 1974 D Roosevelt Dime features a left-facing portrait of President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Above the portrait is the word Liberty, and to the left, near the rim, is the motto, In God We Trust. Below the portrait is the year, 1974, and to the right of the year, the small D mintmark indicates it was minted in Denver. Reverse. The reverse showcases a torch in the center, flanked by an olive branch on the left and an oak branch on the right. These symbols represent liberty, peace, and strength. The inscriptions, United States of America and E Pluribus Unum, encircle the top and bottom, respectively, with the denomination 1 dime below the torch. 2. Composition and specifications. Material. The 1974 D dime is composed of a copper core and clad with an alloy of 75% copper and 25% nickel. Weight and dimensions. It weighs 2.268 grams and has a diameter of 17.91 millimeters. The edge of the coin is reeded, which is a common feature for U.S. dimes to deter counterfeiting and coin shaving. Mintage and production. 1. Mintage figures. In 1974, the Denver Mint produced a substantial number of dimes. The total mintage for the 1974 D Roosevelt Dime was approximately 571,070,000 coins. This large number reflects the ongoing demand for small denomination coins for daily transactions during that period. 2. Minting process. Planchets and blanks. The process begins with the creation of planchets, coin blanks, from large sheets of metal. These blanks are punched out and then polished to prepare for striking. Striking. The blanks are then struck by dies that impress the coin's design onto the surface. Each coin is struck only once under high pressure, a standard procedure for circulation coins. Quality control. Post-striking. Coins undergo quality control checks to remove those with major defects. However, minor imperfections can still make it into circulation, contributing to the variability in coin conditions seen today. Collectibility and value. 1. Factors influencing value. Condition, grade. The primary determinant of a coin's value is its condition, graded on a scale from poor, P1, to mint state, MS 70. For Roosevelt dimes, coins in higher grades, e.g., MS 65 and above, are more sought after by collectors. Common grading terms include circulated, coins that have been used in everyday transactions and show signs of wear. Uncirculated, coins that have not been used in circulation and retain their original mint luster. Mint mark. The D mint mark can add interest, especially to collectors who focus on mint-specific collections. Rarity. While the 1974 D dime is not particularly rare, certain error coins or dimes in exceptionally high grades can command a premium. Market demand. Collector interest in the Roosevelt Dime series, as well as the specific year and mint, influences market value. Historical significance or unique features can also impact demand. 2. Typical values. Circulated examples. Most 1974 D dimes found in pocket change are worth their face value of 10 cents unless in very good condition. Uncirculated examples ***. An uncirculated 1974 D dime might be valued between $1 to $5, depending on its grade. High-grade examples, particularly those graded MS 65 or above by professional grading services like the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS, or Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, NGC, can be worth more, typically ranging from $10 to $20 or higher. Error coins from this year, such as those with off-center strikes, double dies, or other minting anomalies, can be particularly valuable. The price of such coins depends on the type and severity of the error. Investing in Roosevelt dimes. 1. Historical investment trends. Over the years, Roosevelt dimes have seen steady, modest appreciation in value, particularly those in higher grades or with unique features. While they are not as high-profile as rarer coins like Morgan dollars or early gold pieces, they have a consistent market among collectors of modern U.S. coinage. 2. Collecting strategies. Date and mint mark sets. Many collectors aim to gather a complete set of Roosevelt dimes by date and mint mark, spanning from 1946 to the present. This strategy encourages the acquisition of coins in varying conditions from different mints. Condition focus. Some collectors prioritize high-grade coins, seeking out the best-preserved examples of each year and mint mark. Error and variety collecting. Focusing on error coins or variations, such as doubling or specific die anomalies, can also be a rewarding niche within Roosevelt dime collecting. 3. Future prospects. The value of Roosevelt dimes, including the 1974 D, is likely to continue its gradual appreciation, especially as older coins become scarcer in high grades. The enduring legacy of Franklin D. Roosevelt and the coin's connection to mid-20th century history ensure ongoing interest in the series. Conclusion. The 1974 D. Roosevelt dime is a testament to the enduring legacy of Franklin D. Roosevelt and the resilience of U.S. coinage during a time of economic challenge. While not a rare coin by mintage figures, its value to collectors can vary significantly based on condition, demand, and any unique attributes it may possess. For enthusiasts of American numismatics, the 1974 D dime offers an accessible entry point into the rich history of U.S. currency and the broader story of a nation navigating the complexities of the modern era. Whether as a simple piece of pocket change or a prized collectible, the 1974 D Roosevelt dime continues to hold its place in the tapestry of American coins. The value of the 1974 D Roosevelt dime today. The 1974 D Roosevelt dime, minted in Denver, is part of a long-standing series honoring President Franklin D. Roosevelt. This dime, like others from the series, is common in circulation, but its value can vary based on several factors including its condition, rarity, and specific collector interest. Face value and common circulation. In everyday transactions, the 1974 D. Roosevelt Dime retains its face value of 10 cents. This is because it was produced in large quantities, with over 571 million coins minted in Denver that year. Most of these dimes were used in regular commerce and thus, when found today, they typically exhibit significant wear and are worth just their face value. Collector value. 1. Circulated coins. Condition. The majority of 1974 D dimes available today are circulated. In grades such as good, G4, to very fine, VF20, their value generally remains at or slightly above face value, typically around 10 to 25 cents. This is due to the high mintage and availability of the coin market. These coins are often not highly sought after by collectors unless they are part of a bulk lot or being acquired for a date and mint set. 2. Uncirculated coins. Mint state, uncirculated 1974 D dimes, which have not been used in commerce and thus retain their original mint luster, are more valuable. Coins in mint state, MS, grades, especially those rated MS 65 or higher, can attract collectors looking for pristine examples. Value. An uncirculated 1974 D dime in MS 65 condition might be valued between $1 and $5. Higher grades, like MS 67, can command prices ranging from $10 to $20 or more, depending on their quality and the demand among collectors. Certification. Coins that are certified by professional grading services like the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS, or the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, NGC, tend to fetch higher prices, as their condition is verified and trusted by collectors. 3. Error coins. Varieties and errors. Error coins from this year, such as those with off-center strikes, double dies, or other minting anomalies, can be particularly valuable. These errors occur when there are mistakes in the coin's production process, making them rare and desirable to error collectors. Value. Depending on the type and prominence of the error, these coins can be worth significantly more than standard examples, often ranging from $10 to several $100s for highly unusual or dramatic errors. Investment considerations. 1. Collector demand. Roosevelt dimes are generally collected by enthusiasts who focus on modern U.S. coinage or complete date and mint sets. The 1974 D dime is a common coin within this series, making it a modestly valued but accessible piece for new collectors. 2. Future prospects. The value of the 1974 D dime is expected to remain relatively stable in the near future, with slight appreciation possible, especially for high-grade uncirculated coins or notable errors. As older coins in good condition become scarcer, their collector value may increase over conclusion. The 1974 D. Roosevelt Dime, while primarily valued at face value in circulation, offers modest collector value depending on its condition and rarity. For circulated examples, the value remains close to 10 cents, but uncirculated or error coins can command higher prices. As part of a long-lived and widely collected series, the 1974 D dime holds its place as a small yet meaningful piece in the realm of U.S. coinage, appealing to both casual